Hey everybody, welcome to the office, and today I got myself this. This is the Aerolander Extreme, and this is a helmet, and we're going to give this thing a little try on and see how it is. Going on a biking trip shortly, in about 2 weeks, so I figured I'd get myself a nice helmet. So let's see what we got in the box here. So we have the helmet, and we have the little visor thing, and that's it. Box is empty. Let's go check these things out here. So this is the helmet here, and it looks like it comes with a, the rotating dial to tighten it up, and it looks like it's got the little light on the back as well. So I can pull that out, and if I push the button, got a little light so people behind me can see me. Pretty cool. A couple of different ways it goes, and there we go. Okay, so let's try this on. See how it fits. It's a bit on the tight side. There we go. So this is it now. Kind of cool. So it fits on there pretty good. It's very loose here, so I would need to tighten it. Let me see how it tightens on here. How does it tighten? I guess on this side here. Oh, it's probably underneath this stuff here. And yes, I will just tighten it up with this. So this is how I will tighten it. So there. So now it'll be ridiculously tight, but let me just try it. And see, make sure it's going to fit me. Where's this one here? And this is almost all the way tight. And that's super duper ridiculously snug. I would definitely need more space than that. Right about like there. So there we go. So that's what it looks like. Fits me pretty good. Let's check out what the visor looks like here. So here's the visor for it. I usually wear sunglasses, but it would go on. Let's see. Take this off. Let's see what it looks like with the visor on. It's got these little clips for the visor, the little screws. So let me open these up and try them out. Okay, so it comes with these two little screws, and they're little Phillips ones. And then the little pokey part here will poke into the front of it. So you see here, you got that front little hole right there. So I'm guessing once I put it on, it's going to poke that hole through. Yes. See, now I've poked that little piece out, and there it's on there. And then I will screw these onto the sides. I'm not going to do them super tight because I probably won't be leaving this on right now, but definitely not for packing. Let's put it on here. Let's see if we can line this up. I think I'm lined up there. Okay, so there we go. So that's what it's like when it's on. But that's it. I don't have it tight, cinched up tight, so this little piece here has got a little bit of a space. But that's not what's protecting you anyways. That's just basically a sun visor. So that'll be my sun visor if I want it that way, so you can see what that looks like. So this is cool. I like this helmet. Very nice. And it's got the little padding stuff on the inside here. It's got this yellow one, and then these other paddings here. So nice little helmet. It was actually really comfortable and pretty lightweight. So I mean, I think I'll be able to ride this thing, wear it all day, even though I'm only going on 2 or 3 hours at a time. So thumbs up from me. This is very nice. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.